Gallardo is going on to a new home. It was raining outside, so we brought it into the detail bay here. This was a very strong, sturdy sold sign, and it got a little wet, but here you go.
It's good, it's good.
That's the official one. He wanted maybe a new one. I was like, take the official one. That's what's been sitting on the car for the last week.
So what's happening, Steve?
I bought Damon's daughter, Mia, if you guys follow their channel, DDE. I bought their Gallardo. And we're gonna take it home and we're gonna play with it. And,
it was titled Mia's car, but it was really our car.
Yeah, it was really,
Yeah,
it's titled her car.
She was never allowed, just so you don't think I'm a bad dad, she was never allowed to take this home or drive it alone. It was always like, I was always, if you saw the videos, I was always shotgun. Stand right here.
That's it, that's what you're a photographer now.
Professional.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nailed it.
Hey guys, Steve.
No, stop. So what are we doing, Steve?
We're back in August. This is my new car. We're gonna make the 20-hour drive home through Moose Jaw, Medicine Hat, Regina.
Why'd you buy this vehicle?
Why wouldn't you buy this vehicle?
That's very true, actually. What are we doing again?
We're doing Kelowna 2.0, so that means we have to go drop it on Nathan unannounced, and they have company, so this is gonna be awesome.
Where you at? Where you at?
Nathan Draper's house.
Hello, senor. Hola, amigo.
That's Kelowna 2.0.
Like, what the? So that's for me this time.
Yeah, I was dropping it off.
Get right.
What did you buy? Wait, did you
That's
really?
sweet. That's for me. Diesel, come here. Don't pee on the car.
Oh my god. Hey, now I'm gonna come see this one.
Good luck.
100%.
All right, get in the car. We're going for Swiss Chalet.
Swiss Chalet again?
Again, yeah.
Why Swiss Chalet? We just did Swiss Chalet.
Stop being racist. Let's go.
Well, thanks, man. See you later.
See you guys later.
Shop liver now.
Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, see you guys later. See you later. Yeah, bye.
We'll do the loop again. Your neighbors will love it.